Hi, my friends. Today I wanted to read to you guys a very silly story. It's called This Book Just Ate My Dog, and it's written by Richard Bryan. If he wrote the story, what's another name for him? The author. Good job. Let's check out the back cover. Look at the dog. He's on a leash. Do you ever walk your dog on a leash? The spine's holding the pages together. Ooh, when I turned it over, I noticed that on the back cover it says wanted. Nice reader to show this book, this naughty book, who's boss. Please help. I'm a nice reader. Are you a nice reader? Let's see if we can teach this naughty book how to be nice. I don't think a book can be naughty. This book just ate my dog. I'm noticing some things about the pictures. I see the dog sleeping. The book didn't eat the dog yet. I see the author on the title page, and I see some speech bubbles coming from the inside of the book. It says, "Walkies, let's go." Maybe it's the little girl talking to the dog. Bella was taking her dog for a stroll across the page when something very odd happening. Look, half the dog is gone. Did he walk into the spine of the book? Bella's dog disappeared. "Hello, Bella. What's up?" said Ben. "This book just ate my dog." What? Can that really happen? Ben decided to investigate. Look, he's peeking his head into the spine of the book. But where does the face go? But Ben disappeared too. Oh no, he lost his balloon. Suddenly, help zoomed in. Woo, 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 woo. Look, Bella's so excited. And then vanished. Oh my goodness. Things were getting ridiculous. I'll just have to sort this out myself, thought Bella. But, brr. That is not good manners. Sometime later, a note appeared. It read, "Dear reader," that's us. "It would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn this book on its side and shake. From Bella." Look, there's a diagram. It's telling me to turn the book like this and shake. Nothing's happening. Let me see. Oh, shake some more. Shake, and look, there's Ben and the fire truck and the policeman and the leash. And one last wiggle, and everybody reappeared. Look, there's Bella and the puppy. And things got back to normal. Hold on. Look. The word's upside down. Let me turn it over. Well, almost. Wait a second. I don't know which way the book goes now. These words are this way and these words are this way. This is a very funny book. Dear reader, that's us. Please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty next time you read it. Thanks, Bella. And look, the puppy's upside down. This silly book ate a dog? I didn't even know that books could eat. Thank you for reading this very silly book with me. I know that it's definitely a fiction story because that could not really happen.